Hello everyone, it's good to be back. I just want to quickly come online to wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and share a few amazing news with you. Premium courses and all access subscribers, you notice that under the premium courses section, we've added two new categories. The first one, photo editing. The second one is artistic photography. We're going to have new lessons coming to them soon. In fact, right after this video, I'm going to upload a new lesson on how you can use photo editing to get perfect white photo. I know one of the problems that you have is you do not even know which part of the photo is not perfectly white. So in fact, I have a subscriber, Dan Wiesner. He wrote to me a few times asking me, how do I get perfect white photo with the acrylic sheet and all this? This is one of the techniques. There are so many professional techniques that you can use. Dan, thanks for writing to me and the patience. And also, all access subscribers, good news, 3 new e-lessons coming your way. The first one is called Colors in Photography. You're gonna love this. I've been spending so much time. That's why I've been so busy filming new content. Colors in Photography, food photography, and also pet photography. So all access subscribers, these are gonna come to you as soon as January. So stay tuned. And premium courses subscribers, you're gonna love the new content coming this way. And I bid you a great 2021 next year.